last night the hose came for the 9 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. So that's the one that's on the log splitter. And our carb bowl came. Let me do this. I'll give you the part numbers. If you need that fuel line, 497029, made in the USA, direct from Briggs. I got that off Amazon actually. Only like $7 or $8, so not too bad. There you can see new Briggs & Stratton fuel line. The bowl, sure where the bowl is. I think I have that part number. I'll link that down here in the bottom of the video. And here's our old, everything's old, crusty, grimy. Maybe you can hear it running. So take you out back, show you what we got. And the air filter came, and that is this model here, Briggs & Stratton 691643, and that does not include the pre-filter, which is a separate part. that does it. Make short work. This thing is a beast. And I just got some little pieces left over there that I gotta do. Then I'll just split that up for some kindling, let that dry. This is some beautiful cherry firewood. I gotta split this piece again. But you can see, like, if things get kind of caught up in here, let me see, I can't really see with the sun. Maybe you can see this. This got bent, but that got pushed. That rail, that log rail, had a little elbow that got stuck, and it caught that and just moved it. This thing has tons of power at half, 3/4 throttle. Just loads of power, keeps the noise down, and it's just a lot of fun. I could do this all day. All right, we say Maddie and Diesel came out to help. So we're gonna get this loaded up here in the wheel horse. I want to thank everybody for coming along on this short video, and we'll see everybody in the next video, which I plan on that being the errands. Just waiting for some parts to come from Jack's. I need gaskets. Carburetor build kit came. That's already been videoed, so just waiting to wrap that up, get that stuff in, and then I'll wrap that video up. Oh, got a blower behind us, so we gotta go. Put down in the comments what you're working on, and we'll see everybody in the next video.